Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Eco Wish's yellow hoodie. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the color is it's basically the same color as mustard. It's a long hoodie, so it goes all the way past the bum. Over here on the top, everything is just one color. It's gonna be a little bit off the shoulders. The cuff looks like this, and the bottom has the same kind of cuff. Ooh, there's a little split here, that's cute. Nice little added touch. I'm assuming it's on both sides. Yes, it is. Front and back are basically just one color. So let me go ahead and try it on. So here's the hoodie. As I said, it's a little bit off the shoulders. Let's check out the hoodie. Ooh, quite big. It's a little bit bigger than normal, which is nice. Something I didn't notice earlier is that it has pockets. Super cute. And that little slit mid-thigh. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this Eco Wish yellow hoodie.